In today's video, we are going to learn about the importance of water, and the subtopic that we are going to cover in this video is the introduction of the importance of water. What are the solvent properties of water? What is the heat capacity of water? And then there is an exciting quiz for you guys in the end. So let's start. Importance of water, like why water is important. As we all know that water constitute about 70% of the human body. See, 70%, a major portion of the human body is composed of water, and about 3 by 4th of earth, it consists of water, right? So that's why it's important. Water is the medium of life. It's the most abundant compound in all organism. ये 65 to 85% तक different organism में पाया जाता है. 65 to 89%. Like as you can see in this picture that 20 to 25% water is present in the human bones, 8% of it is present in the teeth, then 50%, a major amount, it constitute the blood. See, bones, teeth, and blood. So yeah. Human tissues, they contain about 20% of water, right? And 85% of the water is present in the brain cells. 85% is present in brain cells. It also take part in many biochemical reactions such as the hydrolysis of macromolecules. जो hydrolysis है, hydrolysis is the loss of water, loss of H or H2O from any reaction. That is hydrolysis. So it also takes part in many biochemical reactions such as the hydrolysis of macromolecule, and it is also used as a raw material in photosynthesis. There is an interesting fact that jellyfish jellyfish, it consists of about 90% water. That's huge, right? So this is the importance of water. Due to these property, it is important. Now, what is the solvent properties of water? Due to the polarity, water is an excellent solvent. It is an excellent solvent, right? For polar substances, ionic substances, when dissolved in water, like this one, ionic substances, when they dissolve in water, they dissociate into the negative and the positive ions. Right, and non-ionic substances having charge group in their molecules are dispersed in the water. When in solution, ions and molecules, they like if they are in solution, right? They move randomly and are in more favorable state. It is because of this property of water that almost all reaction in a cell, they always occur in an aqueous medium. In cell, all chemical reactions are catalyzed by enzyme which also work in aqueous environment. So non polar organic molecules, जितने भी non polar होंगे, such as fats, lipids, they are insoluble in water and they help to maintain the membrane, which make compartments in the water in the cell, right? So this is the importance of the solvent properties. Like it is highly polar in nature, due to which it acts as an excellent solvent for most of the polar substances and ionic substances. Whenever they are dissolved in water, they are just release their positive and negative ions, and non-ionic substances, they dispersed in water. But the non-polar substances such as the fats, the lipids, then we can say cellulose, protein, they all are insoluble in water, but they help to maintain the membranes which make compartments in the cell. Then the next one is the heat capacity of water. Water has a great ability of absorbing heat with minimum change in its own temperature. Like कोई भी चीज़ अगर बहुत गर्म है आप उसे पानी में डाल दो तो it immediately loses its heat. So it has a great ability of absorbing heat with a minimum change. उसके अपने temperature में भी कोई इतना खास change नहीं आ रहा होता. The specific heat capacity of water. Like what is heat capacity? Heat capacity is basically the number of calories required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water from 15 to 16 degree is what? It is 1.0, right? So this is basically the heat capacity of water, right? Then this is because much of the energy is used to break the hydrogen bond, and water thus work as a temperature stabilizer for organism in the environment and protect the living material against sudden thermal changes. Like अगर किसी को डिहाइड्रेशन हो जाए उसकी बॉडी टेम्परेचर में बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेस आ जाए the doctor advises you to intake water to increase your intake of water. So this is working, the water is working as a temperature stabilizer in the environment. It protect the living material against the sudden thermal changes. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो जाती है जब in the weather, right? Then the water that is storing in your body, it is acting as a temperature stabilizer for your body. As you can see here, the specific heat of water is 1 calorie, right? This one. और 1 कैलोरी को अगर हम देखें तो ये 4.186 जॉल के इक्विवेलेंट होती है per gram per Celsius degree, right? And this is how the structural formula of water look like. Oxygen is in the middle and hydrogen here. Okay, then there is a quiz time. Okay, so water is an excellent what? A solvent, a solute, or a mixture. As we have learned in this slide here, that it is an excellent solvent because of its polarity. Due to its polarity, right? It acts as an excellent solvent. So here the correct answer is solvent. Heat capacity of water is 1.0, 1.1 or 1.9. As we just learned here that the specific heat capacity of water is 1 calorie. It is 1.0. So here the correct answer will be 1.0. This one. So this conclude the end of our today's lesson. If you guys got any queries, ask them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching.